boxes, but look what it says under.
Oh,
Maybe
what
you could
does
give
it
this
say?
to Daddy.
What does it say? Oh, where did you find this?
Come.
You are my rock. I like this. Right there. You found a bug?
Yeah.
You found one? That's not how to use it, Casey.
Hmm?
I'll show you how to use it. Give me. You open it and then you take the bug. While you're on the floor taking the bug, you're closing it. When you see a bug, I'll show you. I'll show you. Alright, let's go. Alright, go, Benny. Take this thing. Take, Kayla.
I see a spider.
You saw a spider? Where is it?
It's down there.
Does it have a web? No, Ben, Kayla, you're blowing it away. That's a vacuum. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Kayla, turn it off. You're going to drain the battery. Stop pressing on it. Alright, go now.
A spider web.
Kenechukwu, you have to be in my eye reach, please. Alright? I have to be able to see you. Remember what we talked about? You're free to play, but make sure I can see you.
Mommy, can I touch something?
Sure. You're free.
Mommy, look
Explore.
at that.
What's that?
Look like a monkey in between the trees.
Let me see.
In between the trees.
Oh, which one?
The log.
The log in between the tree?
It looks like a
Ooh.
monkey.
It looks like a monkey to you? Oh,
A monkey snake.
a monkey snake?
What?
I don't know of a monkey snake. I ever.
I don't know, but it just looks like that. They just say that.
Oh, okay. Oh, what? Those white things on the tree? It looks like, that's a good question. It looks like algae, but I don't know if they are algae. Ooh, you thought that was slim. Look at this other one.
Look at this one.
Which one is bigger? This one or that one in the middle? Look at that one.
This one.
No, you're not seeing it. I don't think you're seeing it. Look at that tree.
What tree?
This one.
Okay, that one's bigger.
I told you that. Let me see. I think I got my extra battery. I think I bought an extra battery.
Wait, it's slow once it's done.
You say what? Oh, right. You think that it sticked it there? I don't know why why this bug is all over my face.
It's probably just a spider. Like, does it tickle you a little bit?
No, I can see the bug moving in front of my face, but it's gone now.
Yeah. Oh, Mommy, look. That's a spider web.
You say a
What's
spider web? You say a spider in it? Oh, yeah, I do. I see. Look at it moving down. No, you don't have to kill it. Let it go. Is it bothering you?
Don't kill it fast. Stop. Don't kill it. We just take a photo of it.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
look that thing there until the straight thing.
What's the straight thing?
That is over the spider web. That thing over there.
Let me see.
That's so bad.
All right, Benny, come take your critter pan. All right, Papa.
Mommy, look. Wait.
Mm-hmm. All right, Bennett.
Doesn't work.
Because I don't think that is for vacuuming anything. It's when you see a bug and you put it on top of the bug. When we see a bug, we'll try it out, right? That's why I say stop using it so you don't run down the battery. Bennett, come grab your burn. Come on, let's go.
My bar.
Yeah, your cricket burn. You saw it? Let me see. Let me see the bug. You found the bug? Oh, you went up. He's trying to hide.
Where?
You found it?
Wait, let me see. Wait.
You brought another bug?
Wait.
Okay, hold on. Let's put it in the burn.
Can I open it?
Wait, let the show get himself ready. If you open it, those ones will run away. Wait, baby, wait. All right. So, Kayla, you open it? Sure.
Just a quick.
Operation.
Quick, this one.
Operation. Get in. Get in. The bug doesn't want to go in.
You got it in?
No, it doesn't
No.
want to. It's sticking.
Okay, put it again. Okay, now open.
Wait.
There you go. Now shut it, Kayla.
To escape again.
I'm trying to.
Okay, so you're just gonna escape. I worked hard finding that bug.
Turn it around, baby. Okay.
See?
See, you gotta give people some
Let me
time.
see the bug. Let me see the bug.
This one. Now we can stick in it. Just hold it.
Okay, right here.
You're not letting me
It's
see the
my turn. This one.
All right, let's go. You can see the bug inside the burn.
I see something. What's the other one?
What happened? You
It
opened it?
escaped.
You opened it?
Yeah, it was
Okay.
on me.
Okay, send another one.
Lift your gun up.
I told.
Let me dig.
Banana.
Missed it. So you know, if you stand very still, then the ants might come.
Mama.
Huh? But you can't keep it open. When you are ready is when she will open it. Because if not, the other ones will fly out.
open it.
Okay, open it, baby.
Go.
It's out.
All right,
There's a
go.
way.
Wait.
This one.
Wait. Quickly.
It won't. It keeps.
It's the other way, Kayla.
Mom, maybe you should be
That
doing
is
this.
it. No, it's practice. She's gonna learn.
Where's the nozzle, please?
There you go.
I keep forgetting it.
Don't worry. With practice, you get better. This is your first time using it.
Another bottle.
Okay, Mr. Carrier, carry it. You found another one?
Yeah.
It's in?
Okay.
Good. Okay. Extractor.
Open it.
Kayla is the extractor. Well, don't open it exactly.
Oh wait, there's another bug that flew inside.
That
Yeah,
flew
I don't
inside.
think we can open it yet. That's the bug.
How do you mean?
I don't think the bugs escaped that we captured. That we thought
Okay,
were
you
not
put
escaped.
those ones now. It's not gonna come out. All right, Kayla, hold on to it. You ready?
Okay.
Other way.
So,
You'll have let it escape again. Bruh.
going.
You got it?
Oh, it's this way.
Clockwise, tighten. Anti-clockwise, loosen.
I know. I should put it out then
In the
let it stay
clockwise.
there. Let's look for more bugs.
And
More
Mommy,
bugs?
I'm Mr. Sucker.
Yeah, I see.
Michaela's extractor and Bennett's holder.
I'm
Yes.
Mrs. Doctor. I bet that is Mr. Holder.
Mr. Older.
And you are picture, and you are Mrs. Picture.
Cameraman. Picture mommy.
Legendary cameraman.
Now,
You're blocking.
you do the sad face like that. Kayla, let's see the sad face on the floor. Do the sad face like
Bennett,
that.
don't open that. Just hold it.
Bennett,
Don't
open
open that.
it.
Benny, don't open it. If you open it, the bugs are gonna run away.
And we're not letting you hold it anymore.
Let him have it.
Mama, do a good job. He keeps opening it.
He did not open it. You just told him what will happen, and he's not doing it.
There's no sense. I don't see it. It's just the darkness that's feeling it.
Maybe the darkness made you think that you saw it. It's possible.
Mommy, look. It's just Mama,
Mommy,
Mom, it's just a stick.
I've seen it, Deshaun, but it's not
what's
funny to me.
Mama, what's this?
I don't know what that is.
What's
I've been
this?
seeing it. I've tried to.
Can't your phone recognize it?
Yeah, I tried to take a picture of it. And
I can't.
there's nothing wrong with restarting. You need help? Do you need help? Okay. Alright. Kayla, excuse me. Alright, come out. There you go. There you go. Okay. Careful, Bennett. Alright, I can see you. I just see you on top of something. On a log. You want us to go through the shortcut?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you done resting? Do you need a snack now?
Yeah, probably.
All right, can we sit down here so we can have a snack?
What do you have?
Well, I have Oreos and I have water. Chips is finished. Well, that's what I got. Chips is finished.
We like to eat it.
Will you take the Oreos with them today? So you just take water?
Yehovah.
I'm sorry I didn't bring a snack for you. But there's nothing I would have even gotten from you. Because I have crackers, but crackers...
Like crackers.
Exactly. Maybe I would have taken the apple.
Chips.
Yeah.
How about
Okay.
chips?
Chip is finished. I have to reorder.
Mommy,
Hmm?
can we get McDonald's on the way back?
I'll think about that.
Have a good day.
Okay. Yeah, come, let me clean your mouth so we can go.
Mom, which way?
Whichever one. Which way do you guys want? Long way or shortcut?
I don't know.
You want shortcut? Okay. All right, Benny, let's go.
Yeah. Double check.
I'll take pictures.
That is so scared. It's not enough. Look at this. Mommy, your try.
I'm seeing you guys.
Mommy, don't hit me.
It's so what? It's icky.
That does look fun, but I don't have my boots.
Yeah, you don't have your foot. I don't know if you take off your shoe.
I don't know. I'm not.
You don't want to take off your shoe? Okay. See, today now that we are all here, you didn't bring your own boots.
Let's switch. Me and you switch.
Uh-oh. We got them wet.
Because I thought my boots was in the car.
You took your foot inside, remember?
Sam, stop it.
Bella, please don't pour that on her face. She said stop it. Thank you.
Look, we fell off.
Mom, is that the longest spider web?
Ooh, I don't think that's a spider web. I think that's just a
Mommy,
string.
take it off.
Yeah, you can. You can do what you want. I'm here.
I can't help me.
Okay. There you go. Is that
Whoa.
okay? Let me hold this.
It's satisfying watching the
Careful, Benny.
Mom, look at the ripples.
The ripples, right, on the water.
Ooh,
Can you see the ripples how it's going? You see those ripples?
It's going so far out. Maybe it's because there are a lot of us. Next time I'll bring my boots so we'll see how far it goes now.
Did I tell you? You make it boot.
So you see, when you disturb the water, it becomes murky. But when we leave it to rest, it settles and then it becomes clear like this side. Did you see that? Yeah, this way. But if you disturb
I
it,
can
the sand.
That's the problem. That's when it's doing.
See how clear this water is.
Yeah. And you have dark bags on it.
That's it. Even when I even still take it, it doesn't look as murky as what it is look like.
Mommy.
Ooh,
Nice.
my water.
Mama, I think I got the best video. Sorry, the best
Picture. Okay.
Yeah. All of you are shadowed, and then the whole horizon.
Okay.
You do this.
Hey!
Mommy, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Mommy.
You want me to sit down? You want me to sit down?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me put this up.
Let me see my pictures.
Stop. Use faster. I got this bed.
Okay. Wow, how am I going to get up? You know, Mommy's getting old.
You're only 39.
Huh?
You're only 39.
My voice.
Mommy, you have to do this, Mommy. You have to spread your legs.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to sit down. Okay, let me try again. Let me try again.
All the way, mommy.
Yeah.
Let's wet your leg.
Yeah.
Wet your leg.
Oh, I sat down.
It's really that hard for you to sit down.
Huh?
It's really that hard for you to sit down. You do it all the time at home. When you're napping, when you're cooking.
Right. Oh, what is getting into my pants? Ooh, I'm feeling so wet. I'm gonna get wet. Oh my goodness. And I don't think I brought any extras for me. I only brought extras for you and Bennett. So you see, that's learning. Next time I'm gonna bring an extra for me too. Ooh, water is going into my booties.
What extra is it?
Ooh, I can feel all the water in my leg. It's satisfying though, but I'm gonna get drained. Ooh,
What if it
satisfying.
rises all the way into your butt, and all the way into your brain, and you get brain dead?
Ooh. That one? Yes, we will. If we go straight down there, we'll make it very good.
Does it have a swing? If it has a swing, then yes.
Casey, can you please help me turn off that video? Thank you. Hot what? Oh. Let's go.
happened to the camera?
Nothing happened. My camera is okay.
Did it fall?
Did it what?
Did it fall?
Yeah, it fell, but you saw a chipmunk? Oh, look at it. Let's see. He ran. He ran as fast as he could. He's like, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared of these human beings. I'm scared of these human beings. You saw it again? Right. In the bushes? Oh, okay. Oh, look at it right. I don't know if I can see it. Do you see it? Where is it? It just ran. Someone's calling you.